Here's problem 4. Melanie's last baking adventure is with muffins. Melanie decides to bake blueberry muffins next. Her recipe calls for 5 blueberries per muffin. She makes 10 muffins. Draw a picture and write a multiplication sentence to find the total number of blueberries she uses for 10 muffins. There are lots of pictures you could draw. You could draw an array. You could draw a picture where you just use circles for the muffins and you put the blueberries inside. You could do a number bond. But let's see, there are 10 muffins and 5 blueberries in each. So I know I have 10 groups. There are 5 in each group. I don't have the total. So I could simply draw 10 circles and put 5 blueberries in each. I could have an unknown number bond, and if I have 10 groups, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I could put 5 in each group. This is like a giant number bond octopus or squid. And then either way I do it, I could also do a tape diagram. I could do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with 5 in each. Any way I do it, my answer is going to be the same, that she uses 50 blueberries for her 10 muffins. So that's important. I need to remember that 50 blueberries because I'm going to be using that later. Part B says Melanie uses the equation. Oh, I almost made a mistake that some of you made on your test. Question A said write a multiplication sentence, and I did not do that. That's why it's really important to go back and check your work. So if I were to write a multiplication sentence, I could say 10 times 5 equals 50, or using the commutative property, 5 times 10 also equals 50. Okay. So, part B, Melanie uses the equation 10 equals divided by 5 to figure out how many blueberries she needs. Is her method correct? Why or why not? So I want to talk about something first. Ignore this on the top. What if I said 8 equals 4 times 2? Would you say that was right? Yes, because 4 times 2 equals 8. It really doesn't matter if the total's on this side of the equal sign or if the total's on this side of the equal sign, as long as you have the factors on one side and the total on the other. Let's do it a different way. What if I decided to say 2 equals 8 divided by 4? Is that right? It is right because I have my answer on one side and my problem on the other side. Some of us were getting confused because Mrs. Silverglatt told you in our division problems we always put the total first. When I mean put the total first, I don't mean that it has to be the first number you write. I mean that it has to be the number that's in front of the division sign. So now let's go back to this problem with that in mind. This is what she said. Something divided by 5 equals 10. Could Melanie use this to solve her problem? Well, before she knew that 5 times 10 equals, she didn't know at the beginning. So could you simply just change these numbers around and turn it into a division sentence? This is our total. This is also our total. So yes, Melanie could use this equation to figure out how many blueberries. 10 can equal 50 divided by 5. 50 divided by 5 equals 10. The unknown, 50 is the unknown factor in her division problem, just like in the multiplication problem in part A. She just looked at the problem a little differently. 10 muffins is the same as the total of 10 muffins is the same as the total of blueberries divided by 5 in each one. So that's how that problem works. Part C says if she has a total of 90 blueberries, how many are left after she makes the 10 muffins? So I know back in part A, 10 muffins used 50 blueberries. This question says she started with 90. How many does she have left? How many left? Ooh, that sounds like subtraction. 90 minus 50 equals 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. She has 40 blueberries left. And lastly, she boxes the 10 muffins. Each box fits 2. Okay, I already have a picture in my head of a box that has 2 muffins in it. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show how many boxes Melanie fills. So let's see a picture. She has a box. Each box fills 2 muffins. And how many did she have total again? Oh yeah, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I drew my picture. I have to write a number sentence. What did I do? Let's see. She had 10 total, and she divided them into boxes. She put 2 in each box. Oh, division. Okay, my number sentence would be 10, my total, divided by, what number else was I given in the, what other number was I given in the problem? 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She uses 5 boxes. And that is the end. Thank you for watching.